Now, whilst it's possible that you might just start a meeting from scratch like that, it's more likely that you're probably going to schedule it in Calendar first. So to schedule a meeting directly from Zoom, I click on the schedule button over here. That pops up this window where I can put in the details about my meeting. So I can give it a title. By default, it's just called it Dean Stokes' Zoom meeting. I might call this something like team meeting. I can choose the date and the time and whether this repeats or not. And then I can invite people. So I could put in an email address of someone on my team like this. I can choose whether to generate a meeting ID for this or use the personal ID that's been assigned to my account. I'm just going to leave this to generate automatically. If I want to, I can do things like create an agenda, add attachments, and set a passcode for this meeting as well. Now, if you've got lots of people coming in, maybe there are external attendees, if it's a team meeting, you can also set up a waiting room, which means you as the meeting host can individually decide when people are allowed to start coming into the meeting. There are other options here relating to video and audio and some advanced options too. But when you're ready, you can just click send and it's going to go and schedule that meeting. And it will give you all of the details here. I can copy that invitation just like we saw earlier on and then close this when I'm ready. Now, any scheduled meetings that you have will appear on this right-hand side panel like a calendar where I can see that team meeting. And when I'm ready, I can just go and start that meeting and I can click to skip through to another date and find scheduled meetings there as well.